Here's how to live stream on Facebook using OBS Studio. So first of all, you need to go to facebook.com and open OBS on your computer as well. Then on Facebook, tap on What's on Your Mind in the top of the screen. Now tap on Live Video option, which is between Tag People and Location. Now you need to choose your video source. You might see a pop-up asking Facebook to access your camera and microphone. So click on Never Allow since we are using OBS. Now select Streaming Software. Go ahead, tap on Streaming Software. You'll now see the Stream key. Be very careful with this key as it's private. So go ahead and copy it. Next, go to OBS and then click on Settings. Tap on the file and then go to Settings. From the left-hand side of the screen, click on Stream. Select the streaming service as Facebook Live. Now go to the Stream Keys section, paste your Stream key in this box over here, and then tap on Apply in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on Apply and then click on Start Streaming. You can test your audio by unmuting yourself to make sure it sounds okay. So go back to Facebook and choose where you want to post the live stream, schedule when you're going live, and select your audience on the left. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.